guys, Wellesley here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm with the girls. As you can see, I'm with the girls and we're actually at the fun holiday in Sunspree Resort in Montego Bay. We're here on a day pass. We're plan to have some fun. And so we'll be sharing some of the pictures and the sounds and sights with you. Stay tuned. By the way, if you have not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Yes,
that
and
way
make sure to hit the bell so you get every single notification.
And give a like.
That way you stay updated on all my new videos from Jamaica. Alright? Alright, thank you. Alright guys, it's almost time, so they're packing up now, but this is some of the stuff they have here, but quite a wide assortment. Alright, as you can see guys, it's a little overcast. It's rain, cats and dogs I didn't earlier. But anyway, the kids are still hell-bent on having fun. Property, right? Very pretty, very pretty. Well, it's still a bit overcast guys, but man, we're getting some magnificent pictures. All right. Good. Yes, ma'am. Good. All right. Hi guys, alright, still at Holiday Inn. I'm meeting up with some visitors to Jamaica. And this is Angel. Nice Angel, this is Salvana. Albana. And this is? Alright, how long have you guys been here?
3 days.
How is it going?
Good, fun.
Your first time to Jamaica?
Yeah.
Yes.
What took you so long?
I don't know, money.
Oh, money, well. Understand. And it's been good?
Yeah.
Great. Any plans to go anywhere else or just the only two?
Oh, we went today. We went on boat.
Oh, where's that? Mystic Mountain?
Chocolate.
Chaka Cove?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Well, all the best. Thank you for choosing Jamaica. All right. Bye-bye. Oh, go ahead. Well, the rain and the thunder is not stopping Ali's fun, guys. she was hell-bent on getting into the water, despite the fact that the lifeguards are discouraging us from going in the pool. So we're doing the next best. We're at the beach, the little beach area. Alright, good. You're floating? Alright. Well guys, as much as I want to take a lot of pictures and videos, I realize I have to find some time for my children. Oh boy. Alright, that's a challenge I have, but I'm doing my best. Thank you for understanding. Fun. Guys, we have a crab. Look at it, look here. Alright, we're gonna
Look at the big crab. It's brown and it's ugly. Take up this stone. No, Daddy. I want to show you fancies. Where is it? Daddy! No! Woo! Come fans. I'm the little daughter in the breakfast video. It's a crab. Oh my!
this one will bite. Put him in there. Put him in there?
No, I want to see him first.
No, you're not playing with him. Put him in the water.
Let me see, Daddy.
Picture.
Capture.
Picture.
Where's the baby one, Daddy? Where's the baby one?
Did you?
Where? Oh no.
Alright guys, alright. So we're on the beach. It's overcast.
Hello.
So perhaps this is not the best picture you'll see. So we're actually on the beach inside the water, but there's a piece of land or an island on the other side, and we're gonna go out there.
It's very deep, huh? Oh, Daddy, Jay.
Woo! You made it! you found a treasure?
I found treasure. You want to do that under here, right beside the kitchen.
What is that?
Ooh, it's American corn.
How much is that?
I don't even know this.
All right, okay, but it's money, right?
Yeah.
American money.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Again, I'm at Holiday Inn, and we're on the island. This is a special little island. I don't know the name of it, but we're here. And I have two friends from Canada, Montreal, Canada. Is it Montreal? You said?
Yeah.
All right. So tell me who.
Actually, last hour in Canada.
All right. So how long have you been here?
This is the second day.
Second day. How is it going?
Pretty good so far.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what do you like most about it?
There's some places on the sea that I can actually see them swimming down in.
Oh, nice,
And the food is good. The drinks.
nice.
Yes.
Is this your first time to Jamaica?
Yeah. Actually, yeah.
What took you so long?
Honestly, I don't know.
What about your friend? Your friend? The first time to Jamaica?
Too. It's first time.
What took
I
you?
always wanted to come, but I didn't have the opportunity. Now I do.
All right, good. Well, welcome to Jamaica.
Yes.
And all the best. All right?
Yes.
Good. Thank
Daddy,
you.
I'm going to grab.
Ali, are you ready to go back?
No. One second. Come on.
All right, guys, this is Kyle versus Leah. All right, Ali. Leah, I think you had enough, Leah. I think you had enough. That's real discipline. Still want more?
Daddy, look. Daddy, look at what I'm going like.
Ali. Go, Ali.
Yodo, Egypt. White sandals, not a shoe, sandals. Uh-oh, really, going to Fiji. Yes, it's free show. You're at one of the best resorts in Montego Bay, the Island Beach Resort. Yes, indeed.
Okay, guys, it's getting a little late. I am tired. I am tired. I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to give you as much of the pictures and videos I wanted because I had to be spending time with the kids, especially Aliana. And so, it's a little bit dark here, Ali. Oh, okay, that's better. And so I had to spend time. It's really a treat for them, you know. So I try to balance it. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Quite a lot, very enthralling. And thank you for watching. And we'll be here for probably another half an hour or so. Alright. And so thank you for watching. Let me know which part of the experience here is your favorite. I would love to hear from you. Please drop a comment below. Thank you for watching and please
Like and subscribe.
thank you. Bye for now.